bend your knees and bring your feet to the floor and just hang out here for a couple breaths. So this is a nice thing to come into. It's very passive. Say you've had a long day, you don't want to go through some big sequence, you just want to come down to the floor, do maybe 5 minutes for yourself, and call it a day for self-care. So this is a really passive thing for releasing the psoas, or kind of allowing that hip flexor that gets really, really tight and restricted, whether we're sitting or playing sports or going out for a run, or just stress in general can cause it to coil up. All you're going to do is invite your body to do less. So you might want to kind of have your legs resting on the couch or a chair to make it even more passive for yourself. And all you're doing here is taking some nice breaths, inviting your belly to soften. There's nobody here to look skinny for. And as you're breathing in and out, you're just noticing that as the breath comes in, your back is going to gently press into the floor as your lungs inflate. You're not using any muscles to do that. It's just going to feel like a middle and lower back massage. And as you're breathing, you're just inviting different parts of your body to relax. Maybe you're noticing that your shoulders are involved or trying to tense up. They like to be involved in everything. Invite them to relax and just trust the floor to support them. Again, invite the belly to soften, the fronts of the thighs to relax and open, the hip flexors, if there's any tensing. Again, anywhere in your body, might be your jaw, might be your hands. Anywhere that you're noticing any tension, any work, just invite it to do less. Again, another breath. And just allow your body to soften. We get so used to pushing and straining and getting our bodies to do that little bit more that we want it to do. Sometimes it's a little bit more of a mental exercise just to invite our bodies to do less. We get used to being stuck in that striving mode. It's nice to just relax, kind of downshift a little bit, so to speak. And again, just invite your body, your belly to soften as the breath comes in. Feeling that middle and lower back gently pressing into the floor. Invite the shoulders to relax into the floor yet again. The hands to open and relax. The fronts of the thighs. Anytime you're noticing any tensing, just invite it to relax again. We have these unconscious tensing patterns that may be from childhood, just these things that we used to do to take our minds off of whatever stress was going on around us or what have you. These things become unconscious, and little by little we can allow them to relax. And again, one more nice deep cleansing breath.